Hello everyone, this is my review of this handheld illuminated magnifier. This magnifier has built-in 18 LED lights that are beautifully bright and ideal for any setting. It also has a UV light that is super easy to toggle between both modes. Economically speaking, this magnifier feels solid and comfortable in the hand. That's great for extended use. It runs on 3 AAA batteries. The powerful 30 times glass lens makes even tiny print crystal clear, perfect for reading labels, medications, hobby details, and more. Bottom line, if you need a reliable, powerful magnifier for reading small text, doing crafts, or detail hobbies, this delivers high performance. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.